Hi guys, I want to show you today this Halina Super 8. It's a video camera. Okay, so give you a wide angle view of the thing. It comes with its casing, like this bag kind of thing. However, sorry, the strap is broken. It replaced the strap. Okay, so put this aside. It comes with the cap. Put the cap aside. Okay, so this is the front view of the thing. Front view. Okay, one side. The other side, the top, the back, and the bottom. Okay, this one can be removed, which I will not do now for now. Then show the internal compartment. Okay, it uses AA batteries, but unfortunately I'm not sure why when I put in the batteries it does not work. So yeah, it's a sad thing for me. Okay, so here it's like a ND filter. How to say? I'm not sure if you can see it. See? It's an ND filter activator. Okay, and then here is aperture actuator. Not sure if you can see. See, the aperture becomes bigger and smaller. Okay, so besides that, sorry, not much can show you because it does not work. So sorry. Yeah, so hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.